How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Bitget account. Go to the Assets section to see your balance and make sure you have enough USDT for the transfer. Now, switch over to your Binance account, head to the Wallet section and click Deposit. Select USDT as the currency and make sure to choose the correct network like TRC20 or ERC20 based on lower fees on your preference. Once you've selected the network, copy the USDT deposit address. Go back to Bitget and find the Withdraw section. Select USDT, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier, and make sure to select the same network on both Bitget and Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and hit Submit. After submitting, you'll need to confirm the withdrawal with any required security verification like 2FA. Once confirmed, you can check the status of your transfer in transaction history on both Bitget and Binance. And that's it, your USDT should arrive in your Binance account shortly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.